Creating lookalike audiences. Facebook remarketing has another trick up its sleeve that we are proud to introduce to you. Lookalike audiences. Lookalike audiences work in a similar fashion to custom audiences, but the awesome difference is that with lookalike audiences, you can find new people on Facebook who are similar to your most valuable audiences. This time, the data is more action-centric than purely data-centric, and that works better in some situations. Lookalike audiences will allow you to reach people that closely resemble your customers in their interests and the type of user experience they prefer. To create a lookalike audience, head over to your audience's dashboard. Click on the Create Audience drop-down menu and select Lookalike Audience. First, select a source from which to base your lookalike audience. In the Source section, you'll see that you can select from any of the audiences that you have already created, from a customer list, a Facebook pixel, one of your fan pages, or a segment of people from those that like one of your fan pages. Lookalike audiences are targeted individually in a specific country. You have to choose from which country your lookalike audience will be located. If you want to model an audience after the same source but from a different country, you'll need to create it separately. The reason for this is that the size of the lookalike audience that you are creating is determined by that percentage of the population in your country of choice that most closely resembles the source that it is going to be modeled after. By default, the size of your lookalike audience will be the percentage of people that matches the characteristics of your source in that country. It can be as low as 1% or as high as 10%, depending on the country that you choose to target and its population density. Here, you'll be presented with two numbers that you need to look after. The first one is the percentage of people in the country that matches your audience represented below the bar from 0 to 10. The second number is the estimated number of people that can be reached represented by that percentage. You can, of course, make your audience wider and try to reach more people by clicking and holding the handle in the percentage bar and pick a higher percentage. This means that you can reach more people, but those people might not exactly match your lookalike audience. But it can be worth trying if your budget allows. Once you are done customizing your lookalike audience, click on Create Audience. That is how you create your lookalike audiences. You can also create a Facebook ads campaign only targeting your lookalike audience.